Today I'm reviewing the V380 Pro dual-lens CCTV camera outdoor Wi-Fi version. This is an outdoor PTZ security camera with dual view, night vision, motion alerts, two-way audio, recording snapshots, and remote viewing using your phone. My name is Azlan and welcome to Guide Station. This camera is designed for outdoor areas like your gate, entrance, yard, porch, shop front, or any area with strong Wi-Fi coverage. As you can see, I'm currently using this camera to surveil the ongoing construction of my house. This is a good real-world example because even when I'm not physically there, I can still check the progress, monitor the workers, and make sure everything is going smoothly through my phone. The main feature of this camera is the dual lens setup. One camera view is static while the other camera is movable through your phone. This is useful because you can monitor one fixed angle while also controlling the PTZ camera to look around the area. The PTZ function lets you move the camera directly from your phone. You can control the view left, right, up, and down using the app. This gives you more flexibility compared to a regular fixed CCTV camera. Through the app, you can choose between SD and HD recording. HD gives you clearer video quality, while SD can be useful if you want smoother viewing when the internet connection is slower. The camera also allows you to record footage and download the recordings from the app. So if you need to review something, save proof, or check a specific moment during the construction, you can easily download the video to your phone. It also has a snapshot feature, so while watching the live view, you can take a quick photo directly from the app. This is helpful if you want to capture progress updates or anything important happening on site. Another useful feature is the alarm setup. You can set up the alarm through the app depending on how you want the camera to alert you when there is movement or activity. For night use, this camera has night vision, so you can still monitor your area even when it's dark. It also has light settings that you can adjust depending on your preferred setup. It also supports two-way audio. Using your phone, you can listen through the camera and also speak through it. This is helpful if you want to talk to someone at your gate, outside your house, or even communicate with people on the construction site. For real-world use, I think this camera is best for gates, entrances, yards, porches, outdoor shop fronts, and even construction monitoring. The static camera gives you a fixed view, while the movable PTZ camera lets you check other angles whenever needed. One thing to keep in mind is that this camera depends on your Wi-Fi signal. Make sure the Wi-Fi signal is strong in the area where you plan to install it so the live view, recording, and alerts work smoothly. Overall, the V380 Pro dual-lens PTZ CCTV camera is a practical outdoor security camera if you want something you can control from your phone. If you want a CCTV camera for your home, business, or even for monitoring ongoing construction, this is a good option to consider. If this looks like a good fit for your setup, you can grab it through the link in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions about this camera.